Finland became the first country to financially support the Reparations program for former Lord Resistance Army commander following his conviction at the ICC. In a press release issued on 24 February 2026, the Republic of Finland announced a voluntary contribution of 400,000 pounds, approximately shillings 1.7 billion, to the TFV for the case of Ongwen Dominic, reinforcing its long-standing commitment to international justice and victim-centered accountability. Finland, a state party to the Rome Statute since 2000, earmarked part of the funding specifically for the Ongwen Reparations program, making it the first country to directly support the court-ordered compensation process in that case. Ongwen was convicted by the ICC for war crimes and crimes against humanity committed during the conflict in northern Uganda, including murder, forced marriage, sexual slavery, and the recruitment of child soldiers. The remaining funds will strengthen assistance for survivors of sexual and gender-based violence, that's SGBV, particularly in the Central African Republic, where the TFV runs rehabilitation programs. The support will enable survivors to access medical care, mental health and psychological services, as well as economic empowerment initiatives aimed at rebuilding livelihoods. Additionally, part of the contribution will support reparations for former child soldiers in the cases of the DRC and Uganda, both convened by the ICC for crimes committed in the Democratic Republic of Congo. His Excellency Kevin Kelly, a member of the TV Board of Directors, welcomed Finland's contribution, describing it as remarkably generous and crucial to restoring hope in communities affected by ICC crimes. He said such support enables victims to rebuild their lives with dignity and strengthens the court's reparative mandate. Mrs. Kaija Suvento, Director General for Legal Affairs at Finland's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, emphasized that the full realization of victims' rights lies at the heart of the Rome Statute system. She noted that since 2004, Finland has consistently provided annual voluntary contributions to the TFV with a strong focus on supporting survivors of sexual and gender-based violence. Finland is currently the third largest contributor to the TFV, having provided more than 5.1 million pounds over the years, representing over 8% of the fund's annual budget during that period. It's also the largest contributor to the TVF program in the Central African Republic. The TVF has set an annual funding target of at least 10 million euros to sustain its global preparation and assistance programs. Contributions qualify as official development assistance (ODA) and contribute to several United States Sustainable Development Goals, including peace and justice (SDG 16), poverty reduction (SDG 1), and gender equality (SDG 5), and reduced inequalities (SDG 10. By becoming the first state to back the Ongwen Reparations program, Finland has reinforced its leadership in promoting accountability and ensuring that justice extends beyond conviction to meaningful support for victims of the world's most serious crimes.